My mother's gone!
No, your mother is still alive. I sent the Minotaur to abduct her. She is here with me in the underworld.
Mom?
Percy.
What have you done with my mother?
If you ever want to see your mother again, you will bring me the bolt!
Karen, I have to go get her.
Percy, you don't have the bolt.
Look, I'll tell him the truth. When he realizes I'm not the thief, he'll release her.
No, you cannot negotiate with Hades. When he finds out you don't have the bolt, he will kill you and your mother.
This is her only chance.